Hello, America!
What is up?
I am Ojeisekhoba.
And I'm Ojeisekhoba. And today we will do a video on the 20 steps life of a loan. Let's jump right into it. Our first one is the loan application. This is when the borrower submits financial info and requests a loan.
Then we have the disclosures sent. This is where the lender sends initial disclosures, e.g. loan estimate privacy notices.
Thank you, Michael. Next, we have the intent to proceed. When the borrower confirms they want to move forward, they tell the loan officer.
Then we have document collection. Lender collects income, asset, employment, and credit documents.
That's right. Next, we have the pre-underwriting review. The processor checks stocks for completeness before underwriting.
Then we have the submission to underwriting, which is when the loan is submitted to the underwriter for initial decision.
Yep. Next is the condition approval. The underwriter issues approval with conditions to be cleared.
Then we have the conditions collected. Borrower or processor gathers requirement documents to satisfy conditions.
Yep. After that is the resubmission to underwriting, when the loan goes back to underwriting for final review.
Then we have the final approval, CTC, pretty close. All conditions are cleared. Loan is officially approved.
That's right. After that is the closing disclosures are issued. So the CD, or the closing disclosures, is sent to a borrower at least 3 days before closing. This is for mortgages.
Then we have their closing scheduled. It is when the title company or attorney schedules and prepares for signing.
That's right. After that is the loan closing. The borrower signs final documents and the loan is executed.
Then we have funding. The lender wires funds to the title company or seller.
That's right. After that is the post-closing review. The lender audits the file to ensure an accuracy of completeness.
Then we have the loan boarding. Loan is transferred to a loan servicing platform.
That's right. After that is the servicing begins. The borrower starts making the payments, and the servicer manages the loan.
Then we have the escrow and tax management. If applicable, taxes and insurance are paid via escrow.
Thank you, Michael. After that is the ongoing monitoring. The loan is monitored for delinquencies, completeness, or prepayment.
Thank you, Renji. And now for our last one of the day, it is payoff or maturity. Loan is paid off, refinanced, or reaches its final term.
Right, everybody? That was it. That was the 20 steps life of a loan by me and Michael. Thank God for watching. See you next time. Bye.